The roof inspection identifies loose or broken tiles and gutters, moss, lichen and water damage, damage flashing, valleys and ridges, pointing and bedding. Check metal roofing for rusty screws and terracotta the same as cement tiles. A dirty roof doesn't only look ugly, it deteriorates the condition of your tiles, leading to costly future repairs and replacements. Our high pressure cleaning removes dirt, moss, lichen and algae and prepares the surface for optimum paint adhesion. You may be surprised how well a good high pressure clean can breathe new life into your roof. Part of the job is gutter cleaning with a high pressure water cleaner which removes dirt, moss, lichen and algae and helps prevent gutters and downpipes from becoming blocked and leading to structural damage. Use the same process for metal and terracotta roofs. As part of the service, we provide cleaning around driveways, footpaths, bricks and other hard to clean areas. The entire roof is inspected for damaged tiles and loose or missing bedding. Damaged tiles and faulty valley irons are replaced where required and will be provided in the quote. Metal roofs are wire brushed, sanded, high pressure washed and treated with rust killer. Replace all rusty screws and deteriorated washers. Full repointing and loose caps that require rebedding are maintained for both cement and terracotta. We ensure proper joining of any loose tiles to protect from dislodging and leaking. Full repointing and loose caps are sealed and loose or leaking screws are replaced. The roof and guttering are rinsed off and made ready for a coating of mould rid antifungal biocide to inhibit mould growth. The entire roof area is coated with an acrylic sealer primer to ensure strong adhesion with the roof membrane. For metal roofs, specialist corrosion control primers are installed where required. System options for galvanised, zinc aluminum or pre-coated metal. Priming applications and suitable substrates are used for glazed terracotta and vitreous tiles where absorbing primers are not suitable. Then a final clean before the roof is sprayed. The first paint layer is a complete coat of primer bond to stabilise the roof surface, followed by a final reinforcement protective roof membrane coating to ensure maximum durability and long-term weather protection. Second coat application encapsulates the surface. The roof membrane provides optimum protection, durability and weatherproofing. Our supervisors provide a final roof inspection to ensure a high standard and quality of workmanship. Call us today on 1300 698 559 or email sales@unitedtradelinks.com.au or visit our website www.unitedtradelinks.com.au.